Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video on our channel Tech AI Hub. Today, we're embracing tomorrow's tech. 10 game-changing trends. In today's rapidly changing society, technology stands as an unwavering influence, molding our lifestyle and social interactions. Whether it's the progression of communication or advancements in industry, the influence of technology is all-encompassing. The current state of technology. The current technological terrain is characterized by swift progress, particularly in artificial intelligence, AI, reshaping our everyday routines and societal structures. Interlinked technologies are increasingly becoming standard, improving effectiveness across various sectors. Digital technology is pervasive, impacting fields ranging from healthcare to finance, where AI and machine learning lead innovations in natural language processing, image recognition, and predictive analysis. The dawn of 6G networks. Anticipate a paradigm shift with the introduction of 6G networks. This revolutionary development will redefine communication, ensuring faster data transfer, reduced delays, and seamless handling of extensive Internet of Things, IoT setups. The IoT, linking various devices, has birthed smart homes, cities, and automated industries. NextGen Technology, a glimpse. Gazing into the future, substantial progress is anticipated in artificial intelligence, machine learning, robots, and various technological domains. The rate of transformation is escalating, with an expected 50 billion devices seamlessly integrating into the industrial Internet of Things, IoT, by 2025. The next top 10 technological breakthroughs are expected by 2030. Number 1. Necrobiotic. Necrobiotic, a potentially unsettling concept, revolves around transforming deceased organisms into robots. It might sound like something you'd see in a scary movie, transforming a lifeless spider into a robotic gripper with unparalleled dexterity. Originating from the laboratories of Rice University, this technology, though in its early stages, suggests a future where the departed play a role in scientific pursuits. The secret to this marvel lies in the strategic infusion of air into the spider's body. With precision and ingenuity, the researchers skillfully introduced a syringe filled with air into the spider, unveiling a mesmerizing revelation. Imagine the possibilities and applications that arise from this fusion of nature and technology, where a once motionless creature metamorphoses into a robotic wonder, ready to navigate and interact with the world in ways previously unimagined. Number 2. Introducing Eskin. In a world where technology has primarily linked us through sight and sound, engineers at the City University of Hong Kong have developed a pliable Eskin that enables tactile communication across extended distances. Envision the possibility of experiencing a loved one's hug through the internet. Number 3. Sand batteries. A sand battery is a high-temperature thermal energy storage that uses sand or sand-like materials as its storage medium. It stores energy in sand as heat. Finnish engineers have developed a straightforward yet efficient technology that transforms sand into a substantial battery. This sustainable energy solution stores heat generated by resistive heating for prolonged periods. Number 4. AI in everyday life. Artificial intelligence is becoming embedded in daily routines as AI-powered devices elevate convenience in tasks spanning from organizing schedules to overseeing smart homes. AI-powered personal assistants, such as Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa, are integrated into smartphones, smart speakers, and other devices and can perform a wide range of tasks. From setting reminders and sending messages to playing music and controlling smart home devices. Number 5. Catapulting Satellites into space. Spin Launch is a California-based company that is developing a kinetic energy-based launch system for space. The system uses a vacuum-sealed centrifuge to spin a rocket and then launch it into space. Transforming space launches, a kinetic energy-based system developed by Launch decreases the reliance on conventional rocket fuel and infrastructure by a remarkable 70%. Number 6. Smelly VR. Scientists at the City University of Hong Kong have spearheaded a wireless skin-connected smell feedback system for virtual reality. This immersive technology introduces a sensory dimension to experiences, opening the door for virtual smelling in movies and online learning. Number 7. Virtual reality and augmented reality. The merging of virtual and augmented reality is giving rise to a wholly new domain, the Internet of Experiences. This sector centers on immersive applications, ranging from educational experiences to virtual try-ons, with the potential to redefine how we comprehend and engage with the world. Number 8. Brain-reading robots. The capacity to decipher thoughts is no longer restricted to the realm of science fiction. Scientists at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology have created a system that empowers individuals with tetraplegia to command robot arms through brain signals. Even Meta working on brain-reading AI. Number 9. Advanced personal assistance. The next stride in personal assistance surpasses the abilities of existing systems like Alexa and Siri. These advanced assistants might comprehend emotions, provide personalized health advice, and adeptly handle daily schedules. Number 10. Humanlike Robots. Step into the era of humanoid robots, crafted to collaborate with humans. Whether unloading trailers or leading orchestras, these robots are slowly finding roles in diverse fields, and it can bend down to pick up things. It uses sensors to find best way to go and avoid obstacles. Despite being in its early phases, the humanoid robot market is projected to experience a significant surge, surpassing $13 billion in the next 5 years. In conclusion, as we stand on the brink of these technological wonders, the future is positioned to be a terrain where innovation has limitless possibilities. Embrace the change as it is through these advancements that we pave the way to a more interconnected and extraordinary world. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is AI Danny signing off. Thanks for watching.